Welcome to Chandana Max channel. Enter Max to be first chapter circles. Exercise 6D, first Roman. Once again, recollect the formula. Chord of contact. From an external point, we can draw two tangents to the circle and they touches at A and B. The line joining of points of contacts A and B is called chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. S1 notation x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. If theta is the angle between those two tangents P and PB, then tan theta by 2 equal to r by root S11. Pole. From an external point Px1, y1, if we can draw a secant line and cuts the circle at A and B, the line passing through point of intersection of tangents at A and B is called polar line, and the external point P is called pole. This polar equation is formula S1 equal to 0. X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Polar line is the line passing through point of intersection of tangents at A and B. This pole formula is minus g plus lr square by lg plus mf minus n, minus f plus mr square by lg plus mf minus n. Conjugate points and conjugate lines. If the polar of P passing through Q and the polar of Q passing through P, here this is the polar of P, this is the polar of Q, then P and Q are called conjugate points. Those two lines are called conjugate lines. Condition for conjugate points is S12 equal to 0. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x plus x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0 is the notation for S12. Condition for conjugate lines with respect to the circle S equal to 0. If the two lines can be noted as L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal to 0 are conjugate lines with respect to the circle S equal to 0, then r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. These are the formulae for using first Roman problems. First Roman, first problem. Find the condition that the tangents from 0, 0 to the circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Given circle, given point. The tangents from P to circle 1 are perpendicular given that theta equal to 90 degrees. Perpendicular means theta equal to 90 degrees. Since angle between the tangents theta, then formula tan theta by 2 equal to r by root S11. Tan theta ante ikkada 90 kada, tan 90 by 2 equal to r by root S11. 2 తో cancel చేస్తే 45. So tan 45 equal to 1. So r by root S11 equal to 1. On cross multiplication r equal to root S11. Radius for the given circle root of g square plus f square minus c equal to S11 notation root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f1 plus c. Here x1 y1 is given point. On substituting 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c. Squaring on both sides, g square plus f square minus c equal to c. G square plus f square equal to c plus c. G square plus f square equal to 2c is the required condition. This is the one of the important problem. same as this problem, example problem also. అయితే point change only g comma f. In this problem point is origin, in this problem g comma f, same process. Here also tangents from P are perpendicular. So theta equal to 90. Put theta equal to 90 in this formula and g comma f in the given circle. Then we get S11 notation. Then g square plus f square plus c equal to 0 is the required condition for the perpendicular tangents. Find the equation of chord of contact of the point 2, 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. For the given circle, comparison with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2g x quotient equal to minus 5, then g equal to minus 5 by 2. Y quotient 2f equal to 4, 2 times cancel, then f equal to 2. Constant c equal to minus 2. Given point P 2, 5. Therefore, equation of chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. In this S1 notation, put x1, y1 as 2, 5 and g, f, c are from given circle. On substituting and simplifying, we get equation of chord of contact is x minus 14y minus 6 equal to 0. Find the polar of 1, 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 7. Exercise 1D, first Roman, fourth problem. So given circle can be compared with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X quotient 2z equal to, here no x term, so take 0. 2z equal to 0, then z equal to 0. Y quotient 2f, here no y term, so we can take y quotient as 0. 2f equal to 0, then f equal to 0. Constant c equal to minus 7. Given point P 1, 2. Therefore, equation of polar is S1 equal to 0. ఈ S1 నోటేషన్లో x1, y1 అంటే గివెన్ పాయింట్ని, జిఎఫ్సి వాల్యూస్ అంటే సర్కిల్ నుండి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినవి సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. దెన్ వీ గెట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ పోలార్ ఈజ్ x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. For example problem also we have to calculate equation of polar in this same process. (5x plus 7y minus 78 equal to 0 is the polar. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.